HTTP, or the Hypertext Transfer Protocol, is the foundation of how data flows across the internet. It defines how messages are formatted, allowing web browsers and servers to communicate efficiently and securely. In today's world, when you type a web address into your browser, such as Amazon.com, HTTP kicks in. The client sends a request to the server with the message along with headers asking for the desired web page. The server then processes the request and simply sends back a response. This exchange is known as the request response cycle, and it happens every time you click a link, submit a form, or even load a new web page. You may be wondering what HTTP messages look like.
Heck, I'm curious like a cat.
Well, they consist of a payload, which is just data, and several headers, including information like who is sending this request, the MIME type, which is what the client can understand as a response, and the length of the request payload in which the client sends, along with a few more. The receiver will then return a status code along with a message back to the sender. For example, 200 OK means the request was successful, while 404 not found indicates the server couldn't find the requested resource. There are many status codes, and it's always good to familiarize yourself with their meanings. Now let's quickly see HTTP in action. First, open up Google Chrome and type Command-Shift-J or Control-Shift-J if you're on Windows or Linux to open up the Chrome DevTools. From here, let's jump into the Network tab and load up Amazon.com in our browser. Shift your eyes to the top of the request flow where we see Amazon.com. By clicking into this, we can see that we've made a GET request to Amazon, where their servers then responded with a 200 status code, allowing the web page to be loaded. Now, you may be unfamiliar with what GET means in this instance, but this is what's called a request method. HTTP consists of many methods, but the most common ones you'll see are GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE. We'll be talking more about these when we explore REST. So just to recap and end things simply, HTTP is how your browser asks for and receives web pages and data from servers. Thank you everyone for tuning in, and I will catch you guys in the next video.